Mastering time with compound prepositions. Hello, learners! Today we're going to discuss a very interesting topic that can greatly enhance your understanding and usage of the English language. We're going to explore compound prepositions. More specifically, we'll focus on how they can be used to express time. Let's dive in. Compound prepositions are prepositions that are made up of two or more words. Examples include in front of, according to, on behalf of, and many others. The beauty of these prepositions is that they provide a richer, more nuanced way to express relationships between different parts of a sentence. When it comes to expressing time, certain compound prepositions are particularly useful. They allow us to indicate specific moments or periods of time, making our speech or writing more precise and detailed. Examples of such compound prepositions are ahead of, as of, by the time, in the course of, and so on. Let's see how these compound prepositions work in real sentences. 1. Ahead of. This preposition is used to express something that happens before a particular point in time. For example, she finished her work ahead of schedule. 2. As of. We use this preposition when we want to state the time at which something happens. For example, as of tomorrow, I will be on vacation. 3. By the time. This phrase indicates that something will have happened before a certain moment. For example, by the time we arrived, the party was over. 4. In the course of. This phrase is used to indicate something that happens during a particular period or event. For example, in the course of the meeting, we discussed many important issues. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to use these compound prepositions in your everyday conversations or writings. That's all for today, folks. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of how compound prepositions, specifically those expressing time, can be used effectively. Remember, mastering these will not only help you in becoming a proficient English speaker but also in enriching your language skills. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for more helpful English language learning videos. Happy learning!